Hari Om, Namaste. Today we will be discussing about the digestion of the food and the assimilation of the food. So the asana which can help in digestion of the food is Vajrasana. This is one of the best asana, and after my food, this is my regular practice. After my food or my meal, I will ensure that I am sitting in Vajrasana for minimum 15 minutes. Okay, so let's do the asana. Sit in Dandasana first and then fold your one leg, and then after that fold your other leg. This is the way, 3-step process you should adopt the asana. Your back should be erect. Okay, the way you are coming into the asana, it is equally important to come out of the asana in the same way. Okay, so unfold your one leg and the other leg. This is how you should do the Vajrasana. Okay, now the people who are suffering with the knee pain, for them, two precautions they can take. They can keep something below the knees, and for the folding of the knees, if they are having any issue, they can use pillow like this, or they can fold or roll the towel and then keep it below the thighs like this. Okay, now the person who are having the ankle mobility issue, for them, keep the pillow below the feet. Okay, as we all know that Vajrasana, is very good for digestion, but digestion of the food is very much important, no doubt in it, but assimilation of the food is equally important. So what I do while doing the Vajrasana, I adopt a Pushan mudra. What is Pushan mudra? Just close your middle two fingers with the thumb, and in other hand close first two fingers with the thumb like this, and keep it over the thigh. Hope this helps you. Thank you so much. Namaste.